Hop into the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a sensuously styled GLC 300 that's ready to infuse your driving life with luxury and capability. This sleek, spacious SUV delivers fine materials and craftsmanship, assertive performance, exceptional comfort, and ingenious versatility to make every excursion a delight. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, wood grain interior trim, premium sound system, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, aluminum wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, power driver seat. Luxuriously refined, seriously capable. That's the GLC 300 SUV. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.